How is it going, guys? Drew Peacock here, back with another video, and I hope you guys had a wonderful and safe Halloween. Mine was pretty relaxed, didn't do a whole lot, but it was fun, it was relaxing. As you're watching this video, I'm probably working on the Supra. That video will be out tomorrow, but today we are going to do something we haven't done in quite some time, and we're going to take a look at some cursed car images. We're going to see just how twisted the human mind really is. Things that just should not exist, birthed into reality by some dude, some sweaty ass dude, and his computer. These are all in my Discord, so if you guys want to join the Discord, I will link it down below. You guys can submit your own, you guys can chat with me. I'm gonna try to be in there a little bit more. I know I say that every time I mention a Discord video, but I have been trying to be in there a little bit more, so I will do my best to meet that promise. Anyways, let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, so I don't really know where to start. These are very old, very old, so I guess let's just is that fucking real? Holy shit. I mean, I feel like it's not, just because the shading is really funky, but it's like perfectly cut to where it looks real. I'm gonna go ahead and say it's real. That dude, that is some Final Destination shit right there. This isn't a cursed car image. This is a pucker fucking moment. This is right there. You're clenching so hard, your cheeks just fucking create some diamonds in there because the pressure is so intense. That's an insane pucker moment. What is a JMC? We don't get them here, but yeah, that is luckily unlucky, if you ask me. Like, I hope it's real, because I hope I'm not wasting my time just talking about this, but it looks like no one was hearing this, so that's great. I don't think it's real though. An iFunny meme. What are we in, 2010? Police, I'm sorry to hear your car was stolen. What color was it? Yes, all of them. It's just, you know, imagine the LGBTQ flag. There it is, as a car. I've always thought that, like, when the police are writing a description for like a car color or something like that, and they have like a crazy rap or something, what do they write? Like, do they write multiple colors? I have no idea. Cursed car image, not so much. Lame, probably. It's a rainbow car. Who really cares? We're wasting our time. Cool, SRT Charger on the V6 here. This isn't cursed. This is just your typical Ohio Charger right here. Just every Ohio Charger comes like this. What does he have on the fuel door? I don't even know what it is. I can't even tell. I like his little tribal flames down here coming out of his fender, I guess. I don't know. Typical Ohio Charger owner. And he has fucking weather guards. Get the fuck out of here. I want to see like cursed car images. Like, this hurts my brain, but I want to see some really funky stuff. This is just some like eraser cars on Reddit. Like, this is garbage, don't get me wrong. Like, you know, I don't think a fucking junkyard would want this piece of shit, but at the same time, it's not hurting my head yet, you know? Like, I feel bad for whoever has to drive this, and surprisingly it's a convertible too, which just makes it all the worse. But yeah, I'm not having an aneurysm yet. I'm not like stroking out, so I don't know. We gotta dive deeper. But I say, am I not in the right thing? Because people are submitting like R32s and shit. So now this is fucking cursed right here. This is horrible right here. This guy, like, every sin in the book, this guy broke it. He turned a Charger sort of into a truck, and then up badged it already right there. You know, fucking red flags left and right. This guy will definitely cheat on you, and he's gonna cheat on you with a 2. This isn't a good look right here. And the Raiders sticker already. This guy will cheat on you and then beat the shit out of you. Like let's keep it a buck right here. Like, this isn't the guy you want to be around. What is the base car? It looks like either an old Tundra or like an old Frontier. No, not an old Tundra, old Tacoma or an old Frontier. It's an older truck for sure, like an early 2000s truck. But the SRT badge is on there. Like, who you fooling there? You know, like what's going on here? Are you just repping full, you know, Dodge because you're a Dodge, you know, fanboy at heart? Like, is it a Dakota? No, it's not a Dakota. I don't know what the fuck the base truck is. Truck boys, let me know down below. What truck did this guy just destroy right here? And should we cry about it? Is it bad that he destroyed this? Let me know. That's definitely cursed though, 100%. I hate this fucking sticker. This sticker should have died in 2010. I hate this shit. Eggs, milk, ham, bread, suck my balls. Okay, it wasn't funny in 2010. It's not funny in 2022. We're about to be in 2023. A lot of these mods that we're seeing now, they need to just disappear. The manufacturers need to just be gone. Like, people are still buying this shit. I can't believe it. What is it on? A Sonic? It looks like a Sonic. I don't think it is though. Is it a Sonic? It kind of looks like an old Sonic or a Spark. It might be an old Spark. I don't know if the Sonics came in the 2-door. Ugh, I hate that sticker. Is that a Volvo R35 front end? Is it? What are people out here doing? Like, where do you get the R35 front end to toss on this fucking Volvo. I think it's a Volvo. I want to say it's a Volvo. The silhouette looks very Volvo-ish. It doesn't look quite like the Evo, you know, the wagon one, but the whatever he did is ungodly here. There's no denying that. I can't recognize the base car. I'm not a huge wagon fanboy. I'm not a hipster. I'm not jumping on that bandwagon saying that wagons are the coolest things ever. They're cool and they have their place, but I'm not going to be that guy just hopping on the bandwagon saying it. See, I see a classic Mustang here, and I think an old Camaro, I want to say, like the old Bumblebee Camaro. I could be wrong about that shit too. This looks like maybe, I mean, this doesn't even look like America, honestly. This looks like fucking, honestly, it looks like Chernobyl in the background. You know, that COD 4 map, Gilly in the Mist. Yeah, this one right here. Yeah, that's this. If I saw this on that map, though, I would have been blown away. Honestly, would have made sense, though. All the radiation in the air, you know, they create some stupid shit like this. Like, it's cursed, but like, it's not realistic enough to where I give a shit. So I move on. That's realistic enough to where I give a shit. And honestly, I will give this one an applause. I'm also not a fanboy for pop-up headlights. Again, they're cool. They had their time. They're gone. Grow up and accept it. I like them too. Like, they are cool. When I got the S12, it was the only cool thing on that car. You know, you turn them on, I would just drive with them on. And I was like, damn, I'm probably getting like one MPG worse right now. But I didn't give a shit. Day or night, they were up because it just looked cool. But it doesn't match with this. Like, you know what? I wonder if we still had pop-up headlights in 2022. This is what someone needs to do. An updated version of a pop-up headlight. Like, look at this, is like a fucking 1990 S13 pop-up headlight right here. Or nah, it's not a Miata, it's not a circle. Why are we still using that? Like, give us an updated render of what a 2022 pop-up headlight would look like. That is actually a very interesting concept. Why has no one done it? Why? Like, pop-up headlight with projectors and halos and fucking daytime running lights. Why? You know, I don't know. It sounds like a cool idea. This just doesn't really match the body style of the car. And honestly, it looks like a fucking chubby Miata right here. Chubby boy. Typical Ohio, right? You know, no, I'm joking. Audi owners, what you doing? I think we saw this one on like a Reddit video, so I'm not going to talk about it too much, but that guy bought all of Amazon stock right there. Either Amazon or AutoZone. One of them, he owns like the fucking a third of the company with all that shit. That is a lot of stuff. That thing, that's cursed. That thing is fucking terrifying. Finding Nemo smoking crack. This is when Finding Nemo in Cars. This is their weird crossover episode. It didn't see full production right here. It was actually gonna be a live action movie, and Nemo was actually in this scene getting his back blown out, and then as you can see, they just left him there. Not a good day for him. Not a good day at all. There's no way this is real. Like, I will say, okay, this is kind of confusing. Like, this is a really good Photoshop right here. I'm trying to look at like some flaws, but like they even matched the lighting like really well. Like, if this is real, I want to see more of this stuff in 2023. Like, I'm actually like impressed with if this is real, the engineering marvel that this thing is. Like, ugly, we know that. Disgusting, 100%. Probably not fun to drive, covered, but interesting to look at. Like, how is that even possible? Yeah, I mean, like the wing choice too. Like, you got a wing in front of it and then they got the wing in the back. Like, that doesn't make any damn sense. That wing is getting no air, and the very little air it is getting, it's not doing shit. So interesting though, very interesting. That hurts my brain. I like that too, because I haven't seen that photo before. Like, you know, typically we see like the old like racer photos that everyone has seen, such as this or this. That one I have not seen yet before, so that's actually pretty funny. I've seen this car all over fucking Instagram, and it's fucking real, or at least it seems real. Either that or it's got the best CGI of 2022. This is real. The guy pops the hood, shows underneath it. There's like nothing on one side. There is on one. It is scary to look at, and it hurts your brain, but that's real. Either that or he fooled me. I don't know. That's one thing about this episode too, is I either look like an idiot the whole time because like I'm wrong, or oh god, see, now my brain is melting. My brain is genuinely melting. This thing is just what are people doing out here? What are people doing? Like, we're doing this, but we're not finding the cure to cancer. Like, what's going on? That thing is just going like, that's all that thing is doing. No, don't like it. Don't like it one bit. Those headlights do not match. Like, they sort of do, but there's just a lot of empty space up here. There needs to be something like this, or trim it back. Give it a little buzz cut up front. You know, like trim a good 6 inches off. Make it end right around here. You might be onto something, but that thing is sticking out way too far. Don't look right. That's a lot of empty space right there. A lot of empty space, and it has flames on it. Get out of here. Is it a Ford Focus? Is it a Ford Focus mashed with a Miata? Is that what it is? Is that what I'm looking at? I think that's what I'm looking at. I mean, like, that doesn't really look bad, but I mean, you're combining two like kind of mid cars, you know, like, well, I mean, one garbage car and then one slightly less garbage car that's just being ruined by TikTokers every day of the week. Like, I've never hated probably a car more than the NA Miata just because of the stigmatism, I guess. I don't know if that's the right word to use, but the association with the cringe talk and the Miata, hand in fucking hand. Name a cool NA Miata build. Besides that JZ Miata we just looked at and Brian's old JZ Miata, can't name a good NA Miata, not off the top of my head. I don't hate it. I honestly don't hate this. I don't hate it. I'm gonna say it. I don't hate it. It's not the worst thing ever. Like, it's totally not a practical truck anymore based on this render. But it doesn't look that bad. Like, honestly, a little R35 Tundra action, not that bad. And I like orange. Maybe it's the orange. If it was any other color, maybe I wouldn't like it. I just like orange. I like orange cars, you know? So, or trucks. Not bad. Not too much camber, you know? Shit, do your thing, you know? Do your thing. So this is apparently real. It's a RX-7. I thought it was a Viper for a second. RX-7 with a weird wannabe Porsche body kit. You just make it a Viper at that point. Like, it fooled me for a second. I was like, that looks like a Viper. Like, it looked like it had the Viper badge up here, and I was like, it looks like a Viper. And then, yeah, I'm looking at it more. It's like, no, it is an RX-7, and it also says it's an RX-7. And all the Japanese texts clearly are an RX-7. Yeah, I can read fluent Japanese. I can't. Anyways, I'm sure I fooled a couple of you right there. But it also says RX-7 right here. Yeah, I don't know who the fuck would want this. Like, I mean, the RX-7 wasn't ever really like a really low-end car that like people wanted to make look cool. And I could name one other beautiful kit right off the top of my head that just makes way more sense. Veilside. Yeah, this is disgusting. This is Sally from Cars, inbred version. Disgusting. All right, we'll do a couple more. All right, we'll do one more. That was horrible. That just killed me. That just killed me. Now, this is what I'm talking about. Dude, a COE? Little cab over engine action with a Silverado, not that bad. Not that bad. Like, now I wouldn't want to be in a collision with that thing because, well, you know, honestly, you'd probably swallow whatever car you crash into. And look at that XXL bed right there. You know, that's definitely practical. You know, you would actually be able to use that. You could now this, the tractor version, not so much. Not so practical on this one. You know, and you definitely don't want to get rear-ended on this one because that person's vehicle is going to be blowing your back out literally and figuratively. If I had to choose one of the two, I'm choosing the COE, man. The COE is kind of sick. Again, it doesn't make any damn sense because you're sitting on a wheel well and you have no room, but we'll make it fit, you know? We'll make it work. Engineers are pretty impressive, right? We'll make it work. All right, we'll actually do one more. Sorry. Okay, last one. I swear. That's just her. My chinchilla's barking. Shh, daddy's working. I don't know if this is a kit car. I don't know if someone did this to their poor Ferrari or what, but like, what are these vents? Like, what is this right here? What is this doing? What are you cooling off? Your headlight? Like, well, like, what's going on here? You got two pony badges within 12 inches of each other. This is cursed, but this is just cursed because someone destroyed a Ferrari or made a replica that can almost pass as, I don't even know, man. I don't even know anymore. Honestly, I'm about to have some weird psychedelic dreams right now because of all the shit I just looked at. Like, I'm be driving a COE Silverado with no legs. Like, I don't even know. I don't even know. This is okay. All right, we're out of there. Anyways, guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, please let me know down below. If you guys want to submit any of your cursed car images, go ahead and join the Discord. Link in the description. Anyways, that's all I got for you for today. I am probably busting my ass right now working on the Supra. So if you want to see that video, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and it should be out tomorrow. Hopefully. Anyways, peace.